Today I'm going to be showing you guys a wolf spider versus a black widow. If you could see, there's the wolf spider right there. And did you enter the black widow?
No, not yet.
Right now my dad is entering in the black widow.
Make sure you tell them, don't try this at home, kids. We're professionals.
Yeah, we're professionals.
Don't try this at home, kids.
He's using a pen to get them out.
Look, look, look.
The wolf spider is right there. Is he in?
Yeah.
The black widow is that black dot. It's kind of shiny. The wolf spider is right there. He's gonna move it.
Ah, you got him! Oh, dang! Look, you got him good.
And he attacked him.
Dang, you got him good.
I guess wolf spiders are stronger than black widows. Well,
The hunter became the prey. Actually, black widows aren't really hunters. That was cool.
I'll make another video on this if you guys like it.
Look at that. He's eating them good.
Bye.